Hello everyone, it's me Krasmir Panayotov and we are back on the charts, fresh, live, scalping, trading in the forex markets. We are on the Euro USD, and as you can see guys, what the chart have printed right here is this beautiful flag pattern on the 15-minute chart. So I'm gonna use it to place a position. I already have bought just a little bit with a very small stop loss, but now I'm going to use this good price because here we have broken the resistance, so I can now take a buy. And let's see how this scalp will go. So first here we have this beautiful bullish candle, and on the next candle we have kind of a rejection. That's why I didn't enter there. I waited for this green little candle to confirm that we are closing and going above this channel resistance. So now with the flag pattern and with the bullish momentum, I believe if we can push the price to the upside, we can get to these highs over here, and that would be my target. Now let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, there is a nice resistance. And back on the 30 minutes chart, you can see the strong engulfing candle. And yeah, and the first trade I can close here because you see these little highs over here. Here we have one low. This can act as a, wait a minute, as a resistance for the price. So this would be our first target with this smaller trade. Now where would be my stop loss for both the trades? I'll use exactly this stop. But sometimes when you're trading the flag pattern, you can set your stop loss below the middle of the consolidation. So if this is your consolidation, you put your stop loss below the middle. Okay, and let's see how this trade will go. Hello again guys, just with a little quick update on the 15-minute chart on Euro USD. As you can see, the price is heading towards our first take profit targets. I want to tell you that what actually happened was this first push to the upside, then a little bit of correction. I could enter a third trade with a very tiny stop loss. So my stop loss was somewhere here, so I just didn't want we to go below this level of support, which got broken recently. So the price, yeah, corrected but never closed strong below the level, so my third trade was safe. And then I have moved my previous stop losses from here and here below the middle of the consolidation. I have also moved them towards this level of support. So if I could get some correction again, I could not get stopped out. And now the price is very good for taking my profits. I'll probably do that or wait just a few pips above. So let me show you again the levels of my trade. So we have both ones here, early trade, then after the price closed above the flag pattern, and third when it made a correction from here to here. So that's our three positions, and we are now ready to close. It's coming the New York session, new moves are coming to the market. Let's get ready for this and let's prepare the other setups. That was just a little scalp trade to show you. I wish you successful trading guys, and see you in the next videos. Peace.